Close your eyes for a beat and picture your life as a stitched map of small islands. First kiss island, shy teenage island. The bright, lonely island where your first climax happened. That stitched map is called your sexual biography. And in my work, I have read hundreds of those maps. Each map hides a clue to more than memory. It hides a recipe for change. In one study night, I sat with an office worker who told me his first orgasm happened by accident in a dark theater. A school teacher wrote that hers came later, alone, after she stopped listening to friends' stories. A software designer quietly described, after months of simple breath practice and pelvic work, she discovered she could have 2 climaxes in one evening. These are not fairy tales. They are data dressed as stories. Science helps us read them out. Orgasm is mainly a brain event. Nerves, waves of sensation, and a cocktail of chemical oxytocin, endorphin, create that peak. After the peak, many bodies drop into a brief quiet, the refractory period. The people differ. For some, recovery is quick, and the nervous system can climb another hill. For others, that quiet is long. Learning how your system behaves is the first practical. Here are 3 small, thrilling experiments you can try alone or with a consenting partner. They are simple, safe, and grounded in research. And yes, they tap into a little myth. 1. Biography journaling. Write the story of your first climax. Where were you? Who, if anyone, was there? What mood? What sound? What smells? Do this without judgment. After you write 3 memories, first, second, last, look for pattern. Do you prefer quiet, movement, light? This is intelligent. It turns feelings into data you can use. 2. Sensate focus, the science-friendly ritual. With a partner, set a 5 to 10 minute timer. One person receives gentle, non-goal directed touch, while the other explores. The rule, notice textures, temperature, pressure, rather than chasing a finish line. Switch. This trains attention and slows you down. And slowing down is the secret doorway to repeating peaks. 3. Breathe and pelvic awareness. There are old salon stories. A smoky room where women practiced a 3 short, 3 long breath.
Sound like occult rites.
In truth, they were breath drills and pelvic. Learn to notice your pelvic floor. Brief, gentle contraction, then full relief. Practice short series during quiet moments. To build stamina, it tunes the nervous system, and it can shorten the drop after a peak so you can ride the next wave. Let me tell you a short urban legend. In a seaside town, a woman kept a little notebook of every sexual moment she had. She mapped dates, moods, and the music playing. Over months, she shifted her choices. She traded noisy rooms for soft light, rushed encounters for longer starts. She found a pattern, and then, one summer night, she surprised herself with a second climax. Not because of technique alone, but because she had learned her own rhythm. The town swore it was magic. It was bookkeeping. Finally, make it a laboratory, not a performance. Consent, safety, and clear talk are your instrument. Track, fail, laugh, try again. Curiosity beats pressure every time. Your biography is not a fixed fate. It is the atlas for new journeys. And somewhere between breathwork and a carefully kept notebook, the map can lead you to unexpected, multiple summits.